afternoon. I think it's 1 o'clock, but happy Vlogmas day 3. I am currently making lunch and I just finally made some coffee. I woke up at like 11 and then I laid around because I just do not feel good at all. So oh wait, it's not, yeah, it's 1 o'clock. I have class at like closer to 2, so I'm trying to get some energy to, you know, push through that.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to.
Hello, happy Vlogmas day 3 and our 3rd day of Christmas. As you can tell in our last clip, we have been doing homework all day and
I had a final today.
Yeah.
And we're still not feeling 100%.
I don't feel good at all. I literally sat through a 3-hour class day and that drained me.
After this goes up, we're probably gonna be asleep.
I'm probably gonna go to sleep.
But let's start with our advent calendars.
Oh,
I just realized something. There's little letters at the top of each day. And so you fill it in at the back. For mine, yours is different. Oh, so, cute. Catch me filling that out. And
I found that way faster today.
Secret message. Day
Mine's
3.
a tree.
Ooh, I just dropped that. What's mine? Is this a reindeer? I think it's a reindeer.
Mine's a tree.
It's a reindeer, I think.
And then,
I still can't taste it, if you were curious.
might just tastes sweet. Now, we have our days of nail polish. Go, your turn.
Ooh.
Oh, that's pretty.
Tickle my fancy.
Ooh.
Really pretty nudie pink. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna put it back in the box.
Super cute. It's like a, I can't wait to paint my nails because that's all I can do in quarantine.
Days of Christmas. Today's is from John Pate.
John Pate. I'm so excited.
Here, Jack.
Did he wrap these? He had to wrap these because look at this. I love him, but he had to wrap this. Ooh, I'm gonna sit there and eat all of it. Oh wait, it's a lemon drizzle Kit Kat.
Mine's dark chocolate. They're from Japan. They're from Japan.
Look how cute.
9 bars. Ooh, baby.
Heck yeah. So that is day 3 of Christmas. I'm sorry it's been very uneventful. Our days of Christmas will start to be very eventful when we're not in quarantine anymore and we're not extremely sick. And I know you can tell that we don't feel good because I have no makeup on and I look like a hot mess. Okay, hello. So we had a little bit of a last minute decision. So because the Kit Kats are from, sorry for the dogs, are from Japan, we thought it'd be a really cool idea to like taste them in comparison to the ones we have, like how American Kit Kats are different than maybe like Japanese Kit Kats. So we are going to go ahead and do like a little bit of a taste test. However, as you can tell, Sereniti and I cannot taste, so we're gonna bring However, Sereniti and I are quarantined just because we still have symptoms and everything like that. So I'm not gonna go to the store. So we sent my dad to the store and he went and got us Kit Kats and we are just gonna do a taste test. But since we can't taste, John and Jackson are gonna come and tell us the difference. Recording. So here is the typical one, that Kit Kat that you always find.
In the US?
Here's a US Kit Kat versus the Japanese Kit Kat. Hold up, what's the difference? Do they look the same?
No. One's
thicker. They're UK Kit Kats.
Yes. Wait, is it original?
Yes. OG.
Original UK.
They're UK.
Here's one.
Oh, the lemon. Yeah.
This is the American, and this is the UK.
JK, they're not Japanese. They're
So
UK.
the chocolate is lighter on the
UK one.
UK one.
And it has a little different logo.
Show it on the camera.
I did.
We show it on the
I
camera.
did show it on the camera.
Oh, mine say two different things now. This is obviously
Sure.
probably the American one. This one's got a quote on it.
Oh, it does?
Hashtag my break. And then this one just says. Okay.
I'm gonna try the lemon drizzle one.
First, but
What one you try first? One.
I don't know. I forget which one I messed up.
What did you try? Oh yeah, that's the American one. Okay. Oh, you had the first
I can't
one
taste
first.
it.
That's the first one.
It just tastes kind of, this just tastes sour. I don't like that.
That one's not bad.
They're very similar. No.
I don't think the difference.
So what's the verdict? Come on in. What's the verdict?
One's more
What's the difference?
chocolatey than the other.
I think the British one's more chocolatey.
Yeah, the British one is more like more chocolate flavored.
I think the American's more sweet.
American's more milky.
Is one of them smoother than the other?
I think
The British one
the British one's
is
better.
way smoother.
It's better.
Uh-huh.
This one is?
That's really rough.
So the ruling is
So what's the ruling? What's the ruling,
What's the
boys?
verdict?
I like the British one.
The British one's better.
Really?
Yeah.
I think, okay, I think that's why my skin's broken out because I always go like on TikTok. I watch TikTok too much. Cindy, the puppy's at our feet. She's trying to vlog.
So I tried the lemon one, and because I don't have taste, everything I taste is like heightened in like salt or sourness. So the lemon just tastes like a really sour Kit Kat. I can't taste it. It just tastes really sour. Is it sour? Okay, dogs. Thank you.
Overarching. I don't know.
So I guess the verdict was that the UK Kit Kat was
Crushed it.
better than the American Kit Kat. And the lemon one wasn't actually sour. I just have
No taste.
no taste. What's your verdict, Mom? That you can't taste? And that it tastes the same?
UK is better.
Alrighty, so I guess that's...
Even without taste, the UK is better because it has a, like, the chocolate is smoother.
On the UK?
Like it's
That's what they
creamy-
said.
It's like a creamier, like, even though I can't taste the flavor, like the texture of the chocolate is just like so much. And to be honest, the American one tastes kind of stale. Like the crispy part in the center tastes
Yeah.
kind of stale.
The UK and the UK's don't.
ones don't.
It's like a really nice like crunch, and the US ones are kind of like it's almost like snaps off.
Yeah, I would agree.
Because like it's almost like the UK is almost like bread. It's like a nice soft piece of bread that you like tear apart. And like the American one's more like a cracker. It like snaps.
Yeah.
Interesting. So there you have it. That is the difference. No, baby. No. Okay, so I know that this is not nearly as good quality, but my dad got me I always call them Under Armours, but they're not, they're body armors. And my dad got me one of these when he went and got the Kit Kat. Bless up. So I'm gonna drink that and try and stay hydrated and feeling better. We're just gonna chill out and watch a Christmas movie. There's a new Christmas movie on Netflix that was just released, and it's called Just Another Christmas. But thank you so much for watching our videos. And if you want to watch the other days, there should be a playlist.
Yep.
And
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Our socials will be linked below and all of that fun stuff. So please join the family.